Let's now show how to solve an assignment in the course book. Here we have an assignment page, and on this page there are 3 assignments. The third assignment says that we should calculate the value of this expression here, and there is a solve button. So when we want to solve this assignment, we click on the solve button. So let's do that now. Now you see that the window splits into 2. On the left hand side we still have the same assignment page. On the right hand side we have a space for solving the assignment. This is the solution tool. And you see here that the task is repeated here. It's the same task as we write on the left hand side. And here the starting expression is already pre-filled in. Here below is where we should write the answer then. Let's start solving this assignment. We click return, and we see that we start by doing the addition inside the parentheses, and we decide that this is 28, like that. The next thing is to do the multiplications. So 3 times 3 is 9. Now 12 times 28 is a little bit more complex, so let's take a calculator to help us here. So let's see, now we are going to take 12 times 28, like this. Okay, that gives us 336. Return. So do the actually the subtractions, and we probably want to have the calculator again. So we have 9 minus 336 minus 4. Okay, that gives us minus 331. Minus 331. We copy this answer here to the answer field, minus 331. Okay, now we have solved the problem. Now we need to check whether the solution is correct. So here up is the check button. We click on this, and that doesn't look too good. It says that the answer is not correct, and it has proved the 2 last steps, but the first one is not proved correct. So there's an error here, and we look at this error, we see that, well, actually we forgot to add the 3 here. So this is not 28, it's 31, like that. Okay, we need to continue editing, so we click on the continue editing button here, so we are back in the editing mode, and then we change this to 31. Now we also need to update the subsequent steps, so we need our calculator again. So this time we are calculating 12 times 31. Okay, that's 372. So let's say 372, and then again to calculate the final results we want to have 9 minus 372 minus 4. And now we have minus 367. And now we copy this value here, like that, and we have a new solution. Let's check that again. Okay, this time everything is correct. And if you look at the left hand side, the assignment page, you can see that there is now a green diamond for the assignment, which shows that the solution has been proved correct. The solution is only known by us. In order to send it to the teacher, we need to click the ready button here. We do that, and now you can see that on the assignment page there is also a green paper airplane, which shows that it has been sent away. So we are quite happy now. We have a correct solution to the original assignment. We might actually want to consider making a different kind of a solution, and then we click on the edit button again, to make a new solution, we can choose between copy the original solution or start fresh. So we choose to start fresh. And now we are back to the same starting point, but you notice that there is a 2 now up here. So this shows that this is the second solution. If we would click on the first solution, we see our original solution. Clicking 2 shows the new solution. Rather than using the desktop calculators here, we can actually use the built-in calculator that comes with the eMathStudio. We go here to the 3 dots and we choose here simplify with CAS. And we calculate and we see that it computes the value -367 directly, and we copy it and put it here. We check the solution, well, it's correct, and we can also submit this solution there. We will explain in more detail later on how to use these built-in calculators. For now, we just show how it works.